Hi guys. Today we are playing. Okay, don't copy me. We are playing Purple Parrot Palace again.
Yeah.
This is Walker again.
This is part 3.
This is part 3 of the episode, and I love it. Okay, let's just get started. Walker.
It's that I picked it, the world. Ow.
You dare don't hit me with that. Okay, let's. Okay. Got some fireworks.
You're doing like Chloe.
It probably needs some water, which I do have a bucket. I could put some water around it. Some
might
water.
have water. Oh.
There's water right here.
It's a guy.
Probably put some water next to
Ew,
it.
waterfall.
I know. There's a panda! There's a panda! God. We need bamboo. Where's some bamboo? I'm gonna go get some bamboo. Choo-choo!
Get into bamboo.
I'm getting some bamboo for it. Ooh, woohoo.
There will be Arne.
That's not very good. Wait, there's probably some bamboo here. Ah! Ow. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, is there any bamboo?
But I call you with recording now.
Yeah. Walker's finally recording.
Yeah. I will play the entire house.
No, he's sitting. I'm still trying to find. I'm still trying to find some bamboo. Fireworks station.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I would like some fireworks. Give me a firework. I'm just getting more fireworks and more and more. That's the fireworks station. How? Okay. I'm just trying to find some bamboo. I'm coming back. Ow!
Oh, I did get a mini day also.
Yeah, we forgot to say that.
Yeah, they. How many more minutes or they will go?
I didn't put water next to it yet. I need some water. We need some water next to it. That's why.
Yeah, the pig.
Not a pig.
No pig. No, you have to
Fish?
No fish.
Oh, bridge.
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna leave it on the bridge forever. So now there's water next to it. Actually, how about we move this and make a whole entire tree farm? Look, let's make a tree farm. So let's move it. And
Okay.
I'm gonna go make a tree farm.
If on my video, I will go back. Because I did it that most.
Make a whole tree farm. That's looking good.
Where am I diamond jump for?
Also, do you have any more Do you have any more, like,
I will give me another diamond something.
Oh, you get to jump over the panda. Oh, now he's getting out of the bridge.
No.
We need to make a cage for him.
Huh? Where'd the Zephyr go?
Look, remember I was trying to make a tree farm. So I moved it.
Remember, I remember I wiped it in there so we I made a little exit.
Okay, you know if we do that, then we can't go inside our own house. You know that, right?
Oh.
That's why I moved it. Okay. Huh? Dang it! I have to deal with Elytra.
I only made a no good yike.
Hold on. I'm handing you, oh, can you give me one? Can you give me it?
Or where are the other yike?
It's inside.
Oh.
It's right there.
Oh wait, they're in my inventory.
Yeah, that's your inventory.
So I need to put it in my inventory.
Can I have it? I have another 2. You could fix these 2 and then give it back to me. Because my elytras are broken. Oh, wait, that's yours. Okay, it's right there. Oh, please say it's gonna work. Dang it! You need enchantments, which we could get for mining. Walker, we could get for mining. Walker.
You could have had me back until I got it.
Just give me the other one. Just give me. Wait. Why does it look different? The anvil looks different.
Oh yeah, now I know, baby, because we are older.
Oh, there's my other elytra. Put that back on me.
Okay, I know I like it. Yay!
I wonder if it's gonna
okay,
break.
I know I like it. Okay, I know I like now.
Okay, Walker. How about you? Actually, I could go mine.
But I will
I'm gonna go mine.
you get a cabinet I will get my diamond cafe.
Okay.
Because cafe it is the cockety. I mean the cocket armor.
I'm gonna go kill. I'm gonna go kill some animals.
Me too.
Dang it. Walker, do you have any more fireworks I could use? Because I need some more
yeah.
fireworks. I have 6 fireworks.
I had 80 more.
Hold on, guys.
Okay. We buy the bamboo at fireworks.
We got them off camera, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we're in the jungle. So let's get out of the jungle. I didn't fly. I died! At least I could spawn to you. You're next to my, okay. /TP.
Can you give me the other bamboo? So.
Well, I died.
Oh.
I died over here though. So I'm getting all my stuff. Okay, I'm full. Put on some of my armor. So.
Wait, can you give me the If I had the Orientai, what I do? Can you give me the Orientai because I had no Orientai.
Sure. I didn't.
In your inventory.
Oh,
So.
here you go.
I got all my favorite color again.
Okay, there. Now I'm ready. Okay, got everything.
I good thing it got my graded armor. My diamond cafe.
Get some bamboo.
And then I like it again.
I love the animations for this one.
Yeah. I really did it for other animals.
Yeah, you look for other animals. That's enough bamboo. I'm gonna go ahead and make the bamboo. I mean, not bamboo farm. The
We so yeah, I made a bamboo farm for
Oh yeah. I will make that right now. Okay.
that I will where I the keep farm.
Okay, you work on the tree. Wait, do you have you don't have a bucket?
Yeah, I forgot it to make the I have a bucket.
Oh, I didn't realize.
I forgot it to make it the
Like a bamboo farm. Oh.
Hey, bug. What you eat earlier?
I forgot to eat it. I forgot to eat something. You could go back on pausing it. Okay. So this one is the bamboo farm.
you know.
They're gonna be connected.
Yeah.
Like a little bamboo farm.
I will get more saplings.
Okay, you get some more saplings and then work on the tree farm as I am working on this. This bamboo farm is looking good. I'll just get rid of all this grass.
I'm getting no saplings.
I don't think that. Oh wait, that is a part of the tree. Probably have to. Oh, you got a sapling.
Yay.
My inventory is full. Okay, I'm gonna go put some stuff in the chest. I already have 2 saplings. Don't need any of this. I don't need any of this. Gonna get rid of the lytros because I don't need that.
We will fade it and it will get all of the water to all of the saplings.
How about we make a infinite like infinite water hole or whatever it's called. Oh, the panda is already. Hey, move. I don't want to hit you on accident.
Another sapling.
I'm just kind of cleaning this out. We're getting old. I'm getting old. Infinite water hole. Okay. Oh yeah. Wait. I could make another piece. Okay, don't need some fireworks by now. But I could fix that. There.
I'm too bamboo now.
You know, it's kind of like an infinite hole. What? Okay. Oh, dang it. I'm trying to help. There! Infinite water hole. Wait, no. That's not how you're supposed to do it. Like, make a whole entire... dig like a whole square. So get rid of those saplings.
Holding anyway.
Only like all the saplings. And then just make a whole square. Do you have a shovel?
Oh yeah, I forgot I needed the shovel.
Oh. Okay. I am gonna go and make the bamboo farm. Because that's what I'm doing. There. Just making a bamboo farm. Oh, get rid of this sapling too. You forgot one sapling. Ow! Wait, don't get rid of the middle. Actually, you can if you want. Wait, but where are you gonna put the water then? You need some water. I know, but where are you gonna put the water to like make them grow?
I will say you fade that and then all the water will leave.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
I guess I could try to do that too. Infinite water source, that's what it's called. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. There.
I'm doing that. There. There.
Oh, the water will fade the sapling.
Yeah, that's why. The water will break the saplings. So that's why I only did one. So that's why I kind of made this. There. My little thing is done. Okay, now Panda, can you move? I wish we had a lead. Wait, will it follow? It will follow us with some bamboo. Okay, perfect. Okay, now just move away. Good. Then here's some bamboo. Okay. Now, just put them here.
Why don't you face that tree? Huh?
Panda.
Don't forget the tree. Oh, you need to put it on here.
Yeah, you need to put it right there.
Oh.
Good, Panda. And done. This bamboo farm is done. How do you like my bamboo farm?
Yay!
It's a nice little bamboo farm for the panda. I'm gonna just kind of plant those there. I'm sorry. Got some bamboo.
Can you give me all your tree if you have any?
I only have 2. And here's one more.
The other one. Oh.
We're not supposed to plant them next to each other. Actually, we could just fix it. When they grow, it's fine. And there. Okay, now we just need some water.
I will think maybe.
Yeah, just make some space. I can help. That's still gonna be a little. They're still gonna not grow. So I'm just gonna move this right here, and that's good.
Give me on.
I already put it right there.
Way right here. 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 There.
I'm gonna make a little bridge across, so we could kind of just walk through and kind. Oh yeah, we could just get some bamboo from this.
The bamboo part is for here.
I know, but we could get some bamboo and then actually feed him.
Yeah.
I'm helping you. I'm helping you just kind of surround it. And not done. Perfect. it's not completely done. Oh yeah. Okay, this is looking good. And it's done.
Yay!
Let's make a little bridge. There, now we can kind of go through it and stuff.
There.
Okay. It is looking good. There's a bamboo farm for you. And they're actually growing. They're growing. The bamboo is growing.
I will go up 5.
You grab a piece of bamboo. And let me feed you. Eat it. Aw, it's so cute. Yeah, I'm also gonna go
Whoa.
flying.
What is this? I come eat to you.
You know how to do it. Okay, land inside of water.
No!
Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. Walker just died because he didn't land at a safe place. I'm gonna go and fly. Oh.
I fight.
I am just gonna go find some animals so I can repair one of the. Oh, that was so close.
Oh! That way also to go.
Huh?
Hi!
What does this lead to? I found like a little tower thingy.
I get it, I know.
I don't know, what is
I
this?
also like to get
Oh, it's a
out.
watchtower. That makes sense.
Yeah, it makes it.
Or a fly tower.
I want that to be a fight tower.
That could be really helpful.
A yike tower.
Watchtower.
I mean, a white tower.
I'm just trying to find our home again. This way. Good.
Did I water?
That's not our home. Ow. At least I didn't die.
Give me.
I'm coming. We still can't do anything.
I will put
But at
on
least
my no armor. I mean my no cafe.
At least we have a new elytra that's not almost broken.
Yeah.
You can't do anything because you don't have any enchantments. We have to go kill to get enchantments. That's why I was flying.
Oh.
So come on, let's go. You don't have your wings on.
Yeah, I forgot I get them on.
Wait, hold on. Let me grab another stack of fireworks. Hold on, wait for me.
I waiting.
Okay, how about we go separate ways to find animals?
Yes. I will go do it.
Wait. Oh.
I think do we fight?
Huh?
Yeah, acrobatic.
Come next to me.
Where are you? Over here?
Just follow the desert. Because I think I just found a village with a ton of animals. Kind of follow the beach. I was just over here killing some chickens, then I randomly just found this. Just follow the desert. Wait, no. Jeez, you almost just died.
Where are you?
I don't know how to TP you to me. Wait. Hold on, Walker, go on the ground.
After I go back.
Hey, go back to the home. Oh, you're gonna die. You're gonna die.
I was going to die. I want to do
Okay, land in the water. Land in the water. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. Okay. Follow that desert.
In my walk.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna come back.
I get out my ticket there.
Well, I'm coming back. I see you. Okay, now follow me. Follow this desert. Yeah, follow that.
I see it. Why you did felt up with it?
I don't know what is this actually. I don't think this is a village. I don't think it would look like. I don't think a village would look like this.
Not up with it.
I had my sword out to kill so I could repair my other elytra, but I don't know what is this. Oh, it's a little like boat thingy. Wait, what's inside this chest? Oh yeah, it's a little boat thingy.
I will get a bow.
I'm just gonna fly around and find some animals.
Be more bow. It was a boat in there. Yeah, I got. I mean, you know, it's a big boat in there. I will get out the house. No, nothing. Nothing.
No.
I did a little bow. I did a little bow.
Ouch. I'm just killing so I can just get enchantments. Not really. Yeah.
Oh, did they for the bird baby because they a bird. So yeah, kill Noah the bird.
Oh yeah, birds are part of them. Are part of the whole. Okay. Nope. Okay, I'm level 1.
Oh yeah, it's nutty.
You still have to try to kill. Ouch.
Oh, that I did also for the bird.
Die.
I did.
I'm level 2. Wait, what?
I did now.
No.
I did now.
Yeah. Oh, you're on the other island. Yeah, I'm coming. You're on this island? Yeah. I didn't even get hurt. Maybe there's... Oh, yep. Be careful not to hit birds.
I know. Did I get that baby? No.
Huh? Oh. There's another parrot.
I will on my key. So it might be ARV.
Oh, geez, I'm almost dead. Jeez.
Yeah, no. I don't really need this.
I'm going on the second island. I'm going on that island. Ouch. Die, chicken. Walker, I'm on the third island.
After I get a tire away.
Okay, and then come back. Because I am on the third island trying to find more animals. And no luck finding them. Ouch. No luck finding any animals on this island, only one chicken. Oh, dang it, dang it, dang it. Ow. There. Okay, I'm going back on the village island. There's another island next.
How much wood I got? I will get a tire away. Huh? How did I get a tire away?
Because you dropped it.
No.
Hmm. I'm still just trying to find more animals. But no luck. Looking around this island, nope. Looking around this island, no. Found another island. Walker, I found another island! Ah, ah! Walker, I found another island. Come to me. Walker, just hold that. You got a ton of wood. Just stop. Walker, just come on and come to the island.
I need more wood.
Walker, come to the island. I found another island.
And I need no more wood anymore. The island?
Go to that island, and then you will eventually see another island with me on it. Wait, no, fly. Yeah, that one. No.
That one?
No, that one. Yeah. Ooh,
No.
chicken. Okay, I see you.
I want to you're at it, Faye.
Yeah, me too. Let's
I like
explore
that
this
you're
place.
allowed
Oh, a
to-
chicken. Another chicken.
Oh, did it another way of no egg taking?
Why is there pleasure
So we
plates?
got more die.
Wow. I'm just killing everything so I could just get some XP.
I got 90.
Oh, I can come and put some torches. Wait, I need some torches.
I mean, no. Never mind.
Oh, okay, you found it. You found your way out. Okay, let's keep on finding some animals on this other island. All we're doing is just trying to find animals so we could get some XP. Ow.
That way, play. Take our kill.
Okay, follow me. Okay, that's just another island. No islands.
I found the key how again.
Wait, where are you?
Look for here.
Wait, what?
I buy all the purple beacon again.
Oh.
That way so color me dying. Did you die when going to die?
I don't have time to look on your screen. I'm just trying to freaking find you.
I heading there now.
Hold on. Let's go back to our house.
Yeah,
I don't want to
do
lose
need
it.
I taken no damage.
Oh, dang it. No.
Wait, we also I made a bow play because it had me bow
Ooh.
now.
I didn't die.
We also I made a bow play now because it had bow now.
Oh, and if our tree just grew. I'm going to cut it down. Okay, now let's just get all the leaves. Oh, yeah, now we could... Oh, yeah, I forgot 2 people could ride it. Wait, did you grab more boats?
Yeah.
Okay, then I am gonna come. I don't have any fireworks. Wait, I have a boat. I'm gonna get a boat. I have a boat already. Okay, where are you? Hold on, I'm just gonna TP to you. Don't go without me. Slash TP. Don't go anywhere.
I already make it up.
There, I teleported to you. Oh yeah, making a little deck.
Yeah.
I don't have any wood, but I could make some.
I could make it. I could make the food.
I want to help. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna make my own little one. You make 3, so I could also place mine right. Hold on. Why is it so hard to control boats?
I don't know.
Okay. Turn.
I gotta go, guys.
Bye.
I made you.
Bye, love you. I'll miss you.
I miss you.
Let's go explore.
I will be.
This is so hard. Walker, come on.
Way more bit.
Walker, I'm already very far.
Where are you?
I went further without you because you weren't listening. You're right over there. Okay, I could see you.
I hit third person, so it'd be easier.
Doesn't seem easier for me. Actually, it's kind of easier.
So we are in the where are you going? Wait, oh yeah, we are doing that. We are trying a dolphin.
There was literally a dolphin right behind me. Okay, let's go back home before we lose our home.
Yeah.
Coming back to the deck. We're gonna park. I'm parking mine forwards. How about you park yours a little bit more so it actually connects?
No, and I like to.
There. And also, Walker, do you have any more fireworks?
Yeah, I not have more.
Hold on, guys. Pause.
So you how you are baboon.
Yeah.
We also need to get rid of the yeast so we get some more baboon. I mean yeast. Yeah,
We got some more. We got some more like fireworks off camera.
yeah.
So that's why we have more fireworks now. But I'm really liking our little farm we made.
Yeah.
We made.
We need to always remember to get rid of the whole entire key.
Yep. And then planned another one. Perfect.
The way could go right here.
Okay, I'm gonna go and fly. Let me check on my. Oh, I need to repair it.
Mine. Oh, I also need to repair mine.
Okay, where's my other two? Oh wait, yeah, I put inside of a chest.
I wrote the